The Fifine H13 in gaming headset. It's got changeable RGB for EQs for you and for me. Oh, it's 7.1 virtual sound. It's USB H13 ampli game from Fifine. Woo! Let's unbox it.
All right, boys, girls, people, animals, intelligent robots. Let's unbox this. Little thing, I was live streaming this unboxing, and I unboxed it already, but I wasn't fucking recording because woo, pneumonia or whatever. Not enough oxygen. Whoa. This one has been sent out to me for free from Fifine. They reached out to me and said, we like your content. We like your DMS Omega headphone review, and think you can give a review of this for us. And I said, okay, I'm going to say exactly what I want, though. I don't want affiliate shit. But a lot of my viewers are budget oriented. This is a budget headset. It's like $50 US. Buy it on Amazon. Very readily available. Get them on Alibaba too. So here we go. Let's unbox this. Again, I already unboxed this, but I wasn't recording. So it's a little slop inside the box. Here we go. Oh, here, let me show the box. Little boxy boy. It's a box. Look at the back. Wow. Okay. Nobody gives a shit. Instruction booklet. In case you're slightly brain dead.
Are you brain dead? This is for you.
Okay, we got USB cord. Let me hold this boy up. This was in this, by the way. Okay. Okay, USB cord. That's a thick boy USB cord. Much thicker, a little bit thicker. Is it? No, it's not. It feels softer than the H9s. Okay. That's the Fifine. We got 7.1 button here. So we have the EQ, different EQ modes. We've got, what is this, a mic mute? Okay, fucking thing. There's chat and game variants over here. Mic mute on this side and volume. Okay. It's a USB headset. They got a no windscreen for the microphone. It's kind of a, we'll see. We'll see. Okay. Stay optimistic. I got a lot of really high-end headsets. Like $10,000 worth of fucking headsets. I got some good DACs and amps, so I'm not going to be really comparing these to those because that wouldn't be fair because this cost, a tenth of the price. A lot of like companies that manufacture budget headsets or like mainstream headsets like really push the size of the driver. And the only reason they're having to make the fucking driver bigger is because the internal diaphragm and technology pushing it and pulling it is shit. And so you got to increase the size of the diaphragm to get that same oomph, same accuracy, or lack thereof, whatever. We'll see. I've been, obviously I've been surprised by some budget stuff. That's actually really neat looking. That's kind of cool. Cool. Oh yeah, they got that RGB. That's why that's there. I bet that's actually going to look cool. It's vented. Are those pass through? Nah, it's just textured. I thought those were like little vents for open back. Got kind of excited. On there we got RGB control. And the mic slide. I'll put the mic. Oh, find the mic. Where the fuck? You got it. We're going to be... What the fuck? Got it. We're winners. Okay. See how this one fits, yeah? It's the little initial impressions. This one's like fucking, look at this. I have a fucking huge head. That's like fitting me. This is the tightest it gets. Look at that air gap. It's made for like troll. What the fuck? Check out the H9 in comparison. What is going on? That's got to be, can't be right. Fuck would they do that for? It's the H9. This is their like the cheaper one, the 3.5. Look at that. Like it is like fucking pushing into my head. And this is like 2 click. This is like 1 click up on each side. What is going on? Okay, that's my unboxing. I'll give you my honest opinion on them. We'll do some initial impressions. I'm going to test them mainly with music because that's how you test headphones. I'll do live mic tests on maybe the initial impressions and the review. I guess the mic has RGB on it. That's interesting. So they're delivering power via 3.5, which is definitely going to distort the microphone.
Oh, I don't want to look at lights in front of my fucking face. Right here, I don't want to look at the light. Like, who wants a light? All right, we'll give her a try. All right, FragWatch out. We'll continue the live stream. Do some initial impressions videos, yeah. But this unboxing's over. Catch you guys in the next one.